Hey, would you like to earn substantial extra income in an easy side hustle that anyone can do? If so, stick with me till the end. I'll share the business I'm building in just minutes a day. You can do it too. Your previous experience does not matter. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money with online side hustles almost since the start of the internet. I've done it full time for years now. Whether you are just looking for an extra few $100s a month, or maybe you are looking to replace a job, this might be just what you're searching for. And before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week to help you make more money online. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. I'm sure you've found that there are all kinds of ways to earn extra income. More people than ever are working side hustles these days. Like so many others, I'm also sure that you have found that most side hustles take a lot of time. And with many, it's almost like taking on another job. Well, who has time for that? Who really wants to do that? I sure don't. One of the things I like best about this business I'm sharing with you is not just the money you can make, but the free time you can create too. This side hustle really can be done in just a few minutes a day. And thanks to that, I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at their traditional job. See, with this online way to earn extra income, you can take advantage of the power of automation to really leverage your time. You can put in just a few hours per week at any schedule you choose. And because it's all online, you really can do it at any time of day or night you want, and you can do it from anywhere you want to be. I even do it while I'm out sailing. You do not need to sit at home. You'll love how simple this is. No previous skills are needed. And that's just part of why this has become the fastest growing home business in the entire industry. This business can be very lucrative. And unlike so many other home business opportunities, the pay plan favors everyday people. Folks from all over the world are having massive success with us. And unlike so many other online side hustles, you will not need to spend a lot of money to get going. This is the lowest priced business I've seen. And in case you're wondering, it is not one of those MLM things where you have to buy a bunch of products every month. I hate that. When we team up, we will give you everything you need to start making money fast using online automation. Many new people make money their very first day, and you can get paid fast too, every Thursday by direct deposit. And this business pays out recurring or passive income also. That's money that can keep coming in month after month for what you do each day. Our team will give you your own powerful sales funnel for free. You don't need to create anything. It's everything you need. You will get your own landing or lead capture pages. You'll get a powerful sales page and a professionally written email series to build your email list and market to it. This system we give you is how you can build your business on autopilot in minimal time. You will have the exact same sales funnel that I use, but personalized to brand and promote you. You can be set up and marketing within the hour. We will provide you with terrific training. Our online training is simple to follow. Just copy what we share to start making money fast. We also have a number of live trainings throughout the week, and recordings are available if you can't be there live. And on top of that, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. It's so much easier to earn money online when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. Bottom line, I know of no better way, no easier way for you to earn extra income in just a few hours a week. So to learn more and start making money online today, go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Again, that's easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.